Want to make all your public Facebook posts visible to your friends only? In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. First, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to your menu page. Now click on the settings icon given at the top right. Different section will appear. Scroll down. Navigate to the section Your Activity. Under that, click on the option Activity Log. Now head over to the option Your Facebook Activity. Click on the option Post. Click on the option Your Post Photos and Videos. You'll be directed to this page where you're gonna find all of your posts. Now how to change audience for it. Check in for the option All, then click on three dots. Select the option Change Audience. Click on Change Audience again. Now set it to Friends. And you are done. All your posts are now visible only to your friends. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.